Nelson Cruz has been fighting his case since 1998. I have been covering it for months. After several twists and turns and even a disgraced detective, Nelson Cruz was confident he would be walking out of this courthouse today an exonerated man. But a judge saw it differently.
I'm looking forward to Nelson coming home today.
Erica Cruz walked into court this morning hopeful and optimistic.
What are we planning in the future? Planning to give him kids.
Erica's husband is Nelson Cruz. For the last 20 years, he spent every single day and night in prison. In 1998, Cruz was 17 years old when he was arrested for the East New York murder of Trevor Vieira. Cruz was convicted of second-degree murder and sentenced to 25 years to life. Cruz has always maintained he's an innocent man.
It's been very long, hard. There's no way to describe it.
A judge recently granted Cruz's legal team a new hearing to determine if his conviction should be thrown out. In March, the retired detective who worked Cruz's case, Louis Scarcella, took the stand. Over a dozen Scarcella cases from the 1990s have recently had convictions overturned.
Good morning, Detective Scarcella.
Good morning.
Is it all right if I call you Detective Scarcella?
Sure.
Pix 11 was also there for the testimony from a police officer who witnessed the 1998 shooting.
Everything I said at the time was the truth to me, yes, absolutely.
After waiting for months for the judge's decision, Cruz was brought into court early this afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Justin Bonus on behalf of Nelson Cruz.
To learn his fate.
Reason the motion must be denied.
The judge ruled the second-degree murder conviction will stand. Nelson Cruz will go back to prison to serve out the rest of his sentence. His legal team and his family were in shock and in tears.
I just want my family to get there.
That's good. Nelson's brother.
Yeah, really so many tough moments today, and also a shocking moment. The judge came out, she gave her initial ruling. The defense really pushed back, and then the judge suddenly got up off of the bench and walked out of the courtroom. We were told to come back in about an hour and a half, and when we did, the judge maintained her initial ruling that Nelson Cruz will remain in prison for now. Reporting live from downtown Brooklyn, Ayana Harry, Pix 11 News.